Hello everyone! Nata niya agaw manluto tayo'y masamit ya merienda ya tatawagan niya Masikoy. Katon antis tayo man umpisa ag yulilingwanan niya man subscribe kayo at channel ko. Okay, so our first ingredient is called the Glutinous Rice Flour or what we call the ansakit at Pangasinan. Sa ikumaduan ingredient is the brown sugar. And then, sa ikumatlon ingredient naman is the sesame seeds. Okay, sa unaan niya gawin tayo is tostaan tayo so sesame seeds at pan. Kailangan tayo about 3/4 cup of sesame seeds. Insan dapat over low flame labha tapyano ag tayo natiktikan. Okay, so no na-achieve tila may golden brown nya kulor na sesame seeds tayo, uripan tilay apoy, tapyano aga masyado natiktik. Kasi no nasobraan tayo, mamaliw ya, ang pait ya maong sutaway to. Kato no ustulayan kiyan kulor to, okay la, iset aside tilan tampol. Okay, so sa untumbok ya gawon tayo is powderize tayo so toasted sesame seeds. by using the mortar and pestle, or no ang gapoy mortar and pestle yo, say aron ya gamitan tayo is amay food processor. Okay, so asum pala, unyala sopan maliwan na toasted sesame seeds tayo. So, powderized na siya. Say, untubok tayon gawin is amay ansaket tayo. So, we will be using just 250 grams of the unsaket flour. Okay. And then, it is also very important, yaman, set aside tayo yung mga around half cup of glutinous rice flour. Gamitin tayo yan pampalapot na ani. Insan tayo, mga light tray natan, pangkargaan tayo'y Masikoy flat balls tayo. Pero, dapat man sprinkle tayo'y da isa tya flour tapiano aga, umpeket, so Masikoy flat balls tayo na ani. Okay, so say next, yaga, dagdagan tayo may unsakit flour tayo ya. At least, duaran kutsara labat ya white sugar. So, just at least 2 teaspoon labat. Kita piano aliwan matabtabang. And then, Amay water tayo, nan prepare labat na 3/4 cup na water. Pero, sandara iset. Just make sure ya sandara iset yun ikarga so danom at sa may flour tapyano aga na sobraan. Kasi no nasobraan yo sukin, so danom mamaliw ya very siya parang runny, may consistency to my flour tayo. So dapat right consistency lang siya. Also make sure that you washed your hands thoroughly before mixing the dough. That is very, very important. Okay, so here we go. We've got 24 Masikoy flat doughs. So if you want more, you can actually use the whole packet. So that's 500 grams of glutinous rice flour. So sa tumbok ya gawon tayo is mansukat tayo'y powder rice, toasted sesame seeds, ya half cup labat for now. So kasi say dais labat so gawon tayo, 250 grams labat may Masikoy flat balls sa ginawak. So we will start with just 1/2 cup of the sesame seeds. Insan no bibilang na nagunuyan at tawayan nyo la, may timplada to at kulang ni sesame seeds to, manarom kayo sandara isat labat. Pero agyo so sobraan kasi ang paano pait lamay pagkasabaw to. So, but adjust it according to your taste. And now, i-mix tila my 1/2 cup of powderized sesame seeds into 1/2 cup of water. Okay, sa next gawin tayo, manpaluwag tayo'y 4 cups of water. So boil 4 cups of water. Kasi ayaw man labat so kasi sa ginamit tayo labat iya ang sakit is 250 grams pero no sakay packet that's 500 grams so gamitin nyo man paluwag kayo ay at least 6 cups. Okay, no man buboil la so water is i-drop tayo natin. Yes, san sakay so Masikoy flat balls tayo. Okay, so kapan boil na water, tanu na nang tayo lan man float laray flat balls tayo. There you go. So sandara isat laran on float. That means asinggar lang naluto, eray flat balls tayo. Okay, no non-float lang amin. So flat balls tayo. Natan tayo pour imay sesame seeds. Okay, and then alagran tayo lalamat ya man boil si kato. Once yan ang boil, sumasikoy tayo. Di mantila man add na 1.5 cups to 2 cups of brown sugar. So depende on panlasa yo. You can adjust the taste or you can adjust your sugar. So pwedeng magdagdag bawas ng sugar depende on si kayo. So once yan na-achieve tila may dugan panlasa ng Masikoy tayo, man-dilute tayo'y half cup of glutinous rice flour into 3/4 cup of water. So make sure na walang lumps, ang gapoy lumps yan nakaraan. At sa may ay mixture tayo. Si katuya sumampalapot na may sabaw or soup na masikoy tayo. So here you go. Hope you had fun watching my tutorial on how to make Pangasinan's Masikoy.